We're about to get it in. Boss! Oh yeah! Socks off. Socks off. Soccer. Spin out. Let's go. Socks off. Shouting, no play no games, boy. Let's go, man. Marbles first up on the agenda. Hold it in. Ooh. Get in. Tiger. Arms. Arms again. Breathe in. Stretch it out. Oh, fuck. Ready, boom. Oh, double fist. Double fist. Emotion, that's it. Boom. Say it. Quick. Go in. This is how we do it, right? Fucking do it. Horse Hold your ass in the cloud. Hold your ass up in the cloud with a piercing arm. Into your ass. Yeah. Fucking ass. Come on. Squat it, don't pop it, right? Come on. We got the fried chicken right here, motherfucker. We got the fried chicken. Just relax your asshole and go down. Oh, that's so nice. Hold it up into the sky ball, into the stars. Now hold it over the grandmother's head like this. Holy fuck! After a long day, I don't go the wrong way. I just feel so nice. Monkey hold the ass. Okay? Remember this one. Monkey hold the ass. Snake on fly. Chicken dancer. Yeah, bitch. Hold your knee up to chest, but don't shrink your breast. Fucking my door. Open the door, lock the door. 1, 2. Is that easy? That ABC? Motherfucker. Huh? What, man? Easy ABC. You can get off your monkey ass and move your Christmas bowl. My spine is like a Christmas tree. A Christmas tree. I feel so nice. I feel so good. Right? Fuck. Oh, yeah, I feel so good. Go like that. Oh, that's it. Put it on there. Put it on there. Put it on there. After a long day, you have to go wrong with it. Huh? Back. Oh shit. The back. The back needs to be done. I told her the back needs to be done. Oh, motherfucker. Oh God. Oh God, motherfucker. I feel like a toilet tonight. A toilet tonight. Nobody. I feel like a toilet tonight. No, it don't blow it. Okay, toilet brush. Okay, toilet brush. Oh. You know what? Maybe it's over, baby. Kiss your bastard. Okay. On now. It's easy. And talking the snake. The snake. Talk himself. With the crispy fried snake skin. Yeah. Comes out either side of there. Right. Just take it easy. It's a beautiful life. Right up in there. Oh, fuck. Now, do a few squats. It's like your mother can do this when she do the yoga. If she want to do it, and holding nicely. Then we got it. Get position very nice. Feel very good. Okay. Do the spine in line. Very good. I love that. Fucking love that. Ready? That's it. Okay. Come here. Come here now. What happened with them? Yeah. So amazing. Feels so amazing, right? Feels so nice. Coming forward now. Coming forward. Now to finish your coffee. Finish your coffee. Finish your coffee. Real man. Energy. Finish your coffee. And love your girlfriend. Oh.